Sometimes you just update your machine and you're looking for an answer to that question, should I restart this machine or not? Is there a component that was installed in this patch that requires a restart or not? So how can I get this answer easily? Is that a way? The short answer to this, my friend, is yes, and I'm gonna show you in this video. So let's go to the video. Here we have this node, and this node is a rel 9. And there is one command that we can use to achieve this behavior or to achieve this goal, which is needs restarting. So basically this is the command we just run. We saw something related to subscription management repositories, but let's dive deep a little bit here. Let me take a look. What is the path of this package? And from there, we can take a look on the file, and then we can see, okay, this is part of yum uchoose, and this need restarting. Seeing something like, let's take a look on the man page, just to give us some clue. Redirect to DNF needing restarting plugin. Okay, we have this guy, and this is redirecting to a DNF needing restarting plugin. Wally, do you mean that if I go to DNF needs restarting, this is gonna work? Definitely yes, because this is a script that is calling the DNF plugin. But let's keep going. We have some options like user only, reboot hint, and service. The one specifically that we're looking for is this one, -r. So what happened if I type -r? Okay, there is no core library or service being updated since boot up, and reboot should not be necessary. Let's suppose that I have multiple machines around the globe and I'm managing this on satellite. There is a feature on satellite. I have already a video talking about this tracer, but for the sake of this video specifically, let's talk about needs restarting. I can use the -r just to see. In this case, we can see that there is no need to restart because there is nothing here that is expecting updates. However, let's force this situation because you know that we like to push hard on those machines over here. Let me show you this command. DNF list kernel show duplicates. This is gonna list all the kernels available in this machine. We can see the install version is 40, 503.41, this is the version. And I have plus 2 versions ahead, 12.1 and 16.1. Okay, I don't want to bump to the latest version. I would like to bump to this version over here. So I can do something like DNF update kernel dash and then the specific version. What this is going to do is this is going to update the kernel, not to the latest version, which is 16, but to this version specifically, 12, okay? And as we all know, kernel is one that will require the restart. We have the feature that will allow us to be running and update the kernel live, but this is not the main point of this video right now. I would like to see the information, say, hey, I have a recommendation to you, let's restart. This is the goal. So let's update this package. We can see that the DNF is updating this one right now. We have some post steps. Let me run that needs restarting -r here. Yeah, we got this already. See, core libraries or services have been updated since boot up. And then you see all the list of components that are requiring the restart. Reboot is required to fully utilize these updates. More information, you can access this link. Basically, this is giving you a complete description. Feel free to access this link. And this link will also be available in the description down below. But the main point is now we can see the package. We can see which package is requiring this machine to restart. So definitely this is an easy way to track this down and see what's going on, what package or component is asking for restart. Just executing needs -restarting -r or if you prefer, DNF needs restarting -R. The output will be the same because the command needs restarting is just redirect to the DNF plugin, as we can see, and that's it. Whenever I restart my machine, this information is going to vanish because now I will be using the newer version of that kernel. Sounds good? That's it, folks. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to join us in our Discord channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.